Hey, it's Suffering Student here, and today I'm going to be introducing a program I will be creating, which I've been thinking about for quite a while now, and I finally get around to start it. So, when I have been making videos, YouTube videos, I have previously been using just a notepad to writing my ideas and like having the different topics and then adding, removing them when they were done and created. But I thought to myself, rather not, I maybe should try creating some kind of program that would be able to replace the notepad and maybe have some features that would actually help me in keeping these different ideas sorted and in some pretty good places. So I will be creating this piece of software and I'll be uploading videos once in a while showing my progress and of course asking for any like inputs or critics from you guys. So first of all, I'll just be today introducing the software and I will be showing, I've been creating like a very bare bone idea, which is a simply very simple concept. But I also created a Moscow, which is a method used to prioritize how or like which features, which requirements are most important. So for now, I'm just gonna be focusing on the must-haves, at least for the first few weeks probably. So first of all, the must-haves I've been focused on is the program. Or my idea is having some kind of like a window where you can add some topics with some ideas, and then you're able to choose between like use a drop-down menu to choose between the different topics, and then have these different kind of ideas. And you can sort them, and you can like move them to like a completed state, and that's basically the program. So the must-haves for now is be able to add video ideas. I'm gonna add them some way, be able to create different topics, and be able to have video ideas and topics linked. So there's some way I connect it so I can be able to search based on the topics. Have it be a list of ideas. I'll be, as mentioned, sorting by something. I need to be able to kind of like save and load some way. And I would like to have the basic option of being able to move completed ideas to a completed section. So right now I will be introducing it. And as mentioned, it's just going to be a very simple program, at least to start with. And I will be creating it in Java. And I will be using Java effects to create my graphical user interface. But for now, I'll just be creating like the main part of the program, which is the whole structure and actually the use of it. So just to demonstrate the very basics of the program, what I have for now. So right now, I have and I'm going to be saving it locally at first, definitely. I'll just have some kind of some text files, probably just do a CSV, common separated values, as my, it's not a database, but as my local saved files. And later on, I might actually create a database and move all of it online. But let's let's see what the future brings. So for now, I'm just saving inside a text test.csv file. And first of all, here I just created a new video idea with the topic UML and the idea, and another one with the topic as well UML and another idea. So for now, I just have a very simple program. I can create some video idea objects. I have a video idea list object where I'm able to add my video ideas to the video idea list. Video idea list, which just contains an array list, which for now is going to contain the video ideas. And one of the next things I've been thinking about doing is actually having topics be sorted in so I will have a hash map where the topics would be the key and the video idea with a given, or a list of the video ideas within a given topic would be the value. But for now, let's just look at what I got. Video ideas, add them to my video idea list, and then I'm just simply able to write to file. So for now, I'm just writing to file, to a specific file. And let's do it like this because it's actually this one. So right now I'm just writing to the file whatever I have inside my video idea list.get video ideas to CSV. So right now it's just these ones, but if I just delete them, but then run the program, then I would save them to my test.csv file, and then I am able to have them right file. I'm probably doing quite a bit of like cleanup because right now, which is a very simple prototype, but I am able to read file. I'm definitely going to change the name, so it's not going to be read file, but it's going to be some kind of like having some kind of object that contains all the file, like I'm adding reading and writing and stuff. But right now it's just read file, and I'll just read file, and I'm then able to right now just get the information from my comma-separated value file, CSV file, and just print it to the screen. So that's pretty basic for now. And then later, when everything is more or less working inside just my console, I will be creating a graphical user interface with JavaFX as mentioned. But that's the basic introduction of this process. I'll be doing quite a few videos in the next video series, so I hope you enjoy and will enjoy watching this piece of software evolving. I will at least, so if you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.